kids, I am Pooja Kukreja. So today we are going to study some basic things about computer. First of all, look at this picture which is on the screen. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a computer.
And what is the second picture which is on the screen? This is a laptop. So now let's talk about what are machines and why do we use those machines. First machines we have is a refrigerator. Why do we use refrigerator? We use refrigerator to store different things. Things like vegetables, fruits and ice creams, etc. Second machine we have is a car. Why do we use car? We use car to travel from one place to another. Third is a washing machine. Washing machine is used to wash our dirty clothes. So we can say that machines are man-made things. And man-made things are those things which are created by humans. Or we can say that which are created by us. They help us to do different type of work. All machines have something in common. Let's see all common things are there in these machines. First is machines work fast. Second, machine machine save our time. Third, machine make our work easier. For these three common things, let's take one example. If you're going to a school by a car, then you might take 15 minutes to reach there. But if you're going to school by walking, then you might take 15 hours to reach there. So that means here which machine we have taken example for? That is a car. So car is saving our time and it is very fast and it is making our work easy. So the fourth thing which is common thing in machine is machines cannot work on its own. So for this also, let's take one example related to the car only. Is it possible to drive a car without a driver? No. So that means machines cannot work on its own. Moving forward, now let's see what all things required to run a machine. First is electricity. Most machines run on electricity. Some example are fan, television, and juicer. Second is fuel. Some machines run on fuel and they are aeroplane, car, bike. And the last one is human power. Some machines work on human power. And examples for that is rickshaw, bicycle and sewing machine. And we use sewing machine to switch our clothes. You must have seen this machine in some tailor shop and somewhere. So moving forward, we have same image, that is the image of a computer. So we all know that three things. Either we need electricity, fuel, or human power to run some machines. In the same way, computer is also a machine which runs on electricity. A computer can do many things. Let's see what does a computer do. First is computer never make mistakes. Second, computer can do work very fast. Computer never gets tired. See, we have already learned about all these things, these common things, where we were discussing about these common things, that it is very fast. Because machines are non-living things, that's why they never get tired. Fourth is computer work when we give order. So we have already discussed that no machine can work on its own. In the same way, computer also needs some instruction, order to work. Fifth, computer is a smart machine. Why it is a smart machine? Because it is very fast, it never makes mistakes, it never gets tired, and it makes our work easy. So the sixth things the computer can do is computer can store many things like words, letters, numbers, and computer can store movies, games, pictures